Hi everyone, want to build your own AI assistant that reflects your brand, answers like a pro, or flirts like a charmer? Today, let's build one with Minimax.io in just minutes. So let's get started. First, visit the Minimax, then sign up or log into your dashboard. Then head to the character management or character lab section. Then create character. Just click it. Then you can customize the name, the backstory or personality, the speaking style, the knowledge base, role definition, and this is where the prompt engineering comes in. Write our clear prompt like this. Then after that, you can test your assistant. You can use a built-in chat preview to simulate a conversation. You can adjust the personality or tone based on your test responses, and you can even deploy your assistant. You can connect the custom assistant to your website, your app, and here's the sample API call with your character. And a bonus tip. If you want more personalities, you can create different assistants for customer service, for social media, education, or role play. Then switch based on user needs. And that's it. That's how easy it is to build your own AI assistant with Minimax.io. It's super fun, business or productivity, it's all in your hands. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.